In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can split a long document into smaller, shareable files without losing quality. First, launch Adobe Acrobat on your device. When it opens, bring in the PDF you want to split. If Acrobat asks, make sure you're working in Acrobat Pro so you have access to the full page organizing features. Next, look along the global bar and click All Tools. From the list, choose Organize Pages. This view gives you page thumbnails and a toolbar tailored to page management. At the top, click the Split button. Acrobat will open a secondary toolbar with options that control exactly how your PDF will be divided. Use the Split by drop-down to choose the rule that fits your needs. If you pick number of pages, type the maximum pages you want in each output file. For example, entering 2 will turn a 10-page PDF into 5 separate 2-page documents. This is great for evenly sized sections or when you need predictable chunks. If you choose file size, enter a maximum size in megabytes. Acrobat will split the document into parts that aim to stay under that limit, which is helpful for emailing or uploading. Keep in mind that content like images can affect the final size, so you may need to experiment with the number. If your PDF uses top-level bookmarks, select that option to create a new file for every bookmarked section. This is perfect for reports with a structured table of contents, chapters, or major headings that were bookmarked when the file was created. Before you finalize, set Output Preferences. Click Output Options in the toolbar. Choose where you want the new files to be saved, either the same folder as the original or a different location to keep things organized. Then customize file names. You can add labels or numbers before or after the original title to make each part easy to identify, such as appending a part number or a short section name. When your destination and naming are set, click OK. Now you're ready to run the split. Click the blue Split button in the toolbar. Acrobat will process the document and display a confirmation message showing how many separate PDF files were created. That confirmation means your files have been saved to the location you selected. If something doesn't look right, maybe the chunks are too small or the bookmark breaks aren't where you expected, simply adjust the rule or naming and run the split again. And that's it. You've cleanly divided your PDF with full control over size, structure, and output.